Woodpecker's 6-in-1 pocket gauge adjusts by 1/32 of an inch. The 6-in-1 pocket gauge uses a 32-pitch gear rack to incrementally adjust the reference block from the base block. With the shoulder created between the two blocks, you have a physical reference you can use to check, adjust, and mark all sorts of measurements in your shop. If you prefer working in metric measurements, take the racks off and flip them over. Now the teeth engage at perfect 1 millimeter increments. And all the scales on the 6-in-1 are graduated in both inch and metric. Let's take a closer look at the 6 different functions. Setting the height of router bits and saw blades. Checking the depth of rabbets and dados. Measuring and locking drill bit stop collars. Locating the center of stock up to 2 full inches thick. Scribing lines perfectly parallel to the edge of your stock. And measuring the depth of small holes and narrow grooves. The basic design of the 6-in-1 pocket gauge is identical to the 6-in-1 shop gauge we introduced in 2018. The difference is it's a little bit smaller and it's designed to be there when you need it.
When it comes to making perfectly square crosscuts, nothing compares to the speed and ease of a miter saw. But what a miter saw cannot offer you is accuracy and repeatability. Measuring and marking every board with a tape measure and pencil, and then aligning the blade to the mark is time-consuming and leaves many opportunities for frustrating mistakes or inaccurate cuts. The solution is a precise stop-block system that removes your tape measure and pencil from the process. The Kreg Precision Track and Stop Kit is just that, and it allows you to unleash your saw's true cutting potential. Once set up, the system gives you accuracy and the ability to make repeatable cuts precisely in just seconds. Traditional stop blocks can offer consistency on repeating cuts, but they are time-consuming to set up and have to be remeasured for each different length you are cutting. The Precision Track and Stop Kit is ready in 3 simple steps for any length of cut. Align the cursor over your desired measurement and lock. Next, place the board against the stop. Finally, cut your board. That's it. Each piece will be precisely the same length time after time. The Precision Track and Stop Kit comes complete with 2 stops that can be set up on either side of the blade. A swing stop featuring a curved face that can easily be flipped out of the way when not needed, and a solid production stop with dual lens cursors for accuracy on both sides of the blade without recalibration. The system also comes with 4 sections of Trak in 2-foot lengths for a total of 8 feet. The included left to right and right to left reading measuring tapes allow you to set up this system precisely the way you want it. And because the Trak needs to be mounted, we've included a detailed plan on how to create shop-made material support wings for your miter saw. The Kreg Precision Track and Stop Kit is the modern-day replacement to your tape measure and pencil and is the fastest and easiest way to add speed, repeatability, and real precision to your miter saw.